In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your Counter-Strike 2 microphone not working. Now first you want to open up Steam and click on the Steam icon and then go into settings. In here you want to head to voice. Make sure you have voice on the default device right here. Default, you can do the microphone test if you want, but make sure it's on your default device. Make sure this is turned up and not on the lowest. And after that, what we want to do is we want to come down here, right click, sounds, playback, or recording, in the recording, find your microphone and make sure your microphone is the default device. So in this case, if this was my default device, it would not work since this is my microphone. So make sure it's your default device, right click, properties, and make sure it's turned up and it's not on 0. It doesn't need to be 100, but just make sure it's not muted. After that, what you want to do is come down here, volume mixer. In here, make sure the Counter-Strike 2 is turned on, because if it's muted, you're not gonna hear anything. And then what you want to do is you want to come down here and search for troubleshoot settings, open it up, additional troubleshooters. And in here you want to do the playing audio, because this can also fix your microphone issues. So click on that one and do the troubleshooter. Next you're going to scroll down and find speech and do this one and troubleshoot this one as well. After that, what you can do is come to device manager, open it up. In here you want to do audio inputs and outputs, right click your microphone and update the driver. After that you can open up CS, click up here, come to audio, find voice, and in here you want to make sure that it's enabled as the default device. You can choose if you want push to talk or whichever you want, but make sure it's not on disabled. Now after that, what you can do is restart your PC and see if it works now. Now I really hope this fixed your issue. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.